So it's been over a year, believe it or not, since we last looked at this method for earning money online. Now, here's the great thing. You don't need skills. You don't need any experience. The method we're going to be looking at today, I'm going to break down everything for you. I'll show you examples of this in action. I'll share with you the potential because you can earn ridiculous amounts of money. And I'll also share with you how to speed up this entire process so you can actually be earning more money, okay? And we'll come on to that towards the end of the video. So let's dive in. Hello and welcome to today's video. So very quickly before we dive in, I always forget to mention this. This on the screen is our Not Taught at School newsletter. This is absolutely free. This comes out once a month. So if you want to grab this and join the community and get access to this every single month completely for free, just click the link. We do this as a flipbook for you. And you can download this as a PDF. And every single month we have the newsletter come out and we have interviews in here. I'll quickly show you what it looks like inside of these newsletters. So you can see on here, we have resources and news. We have case studies in here, what's going on in the world of making money online. You can see there's lots of stuff in here and it's free. So if you want to check it out, you can go grab that. So that's the pitch over. So let me close this and close this. So what is the method we are looking at today? Well, it's this over here, so I'll show you. So the method is called copywriting, okay? And if you don't know what copywriting is, I'll share with you a really simple example. So if I come down here, we can see copywriting is the act or occupation of writing text with the purpose of advertising or other forms of marketing, okay? So basically, it's creating written content, and the aim of that content is to increase brand awareness, it's to increase sales, it's to, as you can see down here, persuade a person or a group to take a particular action. So I'm sure you will have landed on lots of different websites in the past whereby you're looking at maybe purchasing something or you're going to sign up for something, and on that website or on that page there will have been copywriters who write the content on there, okay? Now, many people think when it comes to copywriting, you've got to have lots of knowledge, lots of skills, you've got to have been doing this for years. You don't. I'll show you another example. So if we come here, you can see, look, is copywriting good for beginners? And we can see here, look, it's a skill that anyone and everyone can master, be it fresh graduates looking out to start their careers or a business person trying to increase their turnover. If you want to become a copywriter or simply want to learn, and then you can go over to this website here, they'll list some tips for beginners. But essentially, that is what copywriting is. And the amount of money you can earn as a copywriter is ridiculous. And I'm not talking about being employed for someone, but let's just go a little bit further down here. So let's get rid of this and we'll look at copywriting salaries. Let's just go with salaries. Salary. Let's just go with that and see what Google tells us for this here, okay? And we'll come down here and we'll just very quickly look at how much can you make as a copywriter. The average salary for a copywriter, and this is bearing in mind, this is if you're getting employed by someone, it's $84,000. And it says here, look, the average salary for someone with less than a year of experience is $61,000 with less than a year's experience, okay? So that, I'm bearing in mind that is if we're getting employed by specific companies and things, but there are many places whereby we can start out on this journey, pick up little jobs where we're creating the copy for people and be earning money. There are many freelancing websites. I'll share an example of that with you now. So if I come over here onto this website, it's called Upwork. Now on here you can see I've just typed in the word copywriter. Now there are currently 6,000 jobs on here for copywriters, and the amount of money you can earn varies depending on the listing. But you can see here this one was posted 1 hour ago. They've got a budget of $5,500. And basically you can see on here, look, they are seeking a skilled copywriter to create compelling content for approximately 20 pages on a website. So you create content on a website and they will pay you, estimated budget is $5,500. Now that is on the high end. If we come down here, we can then have a look at some more things on the page here. So look, on page SEO for business landing pages, this one's $800. Let's come a bit further down here. Look, social media copywriter hourly is between $5 and $25. And scroll down here, we've then got someone here, look, page, what's that, 1,000 words per page copy typing. This here is between $35 $175 per hour. It's crazy. And by the way, if you come on here and you click on any of these, if I click on there now, it opens up and it will just show you what they want. So you can see on here the hourly wage, the duration of the job they expect it to be, the type, the expert level or the experience level. They can also see the ongoing project, remote job, and then contract to hire. Okay, and you can go through and have a look at this. So let's go back, and this is it. But you can see on here, just on this one website here, there are 6,000 jobs for copywriting, and this is one freelancing website. There are many, many more. Okay, so if that's just on that page, let's just go to the next page and have another look. So we've got another one here. Look, another one, copywriter, hourly wage $15 to $20. This was posted 2 hours ago. 15 to 30, 2 hours ago. This one down here, look, this one here is a project 3 to 6 months, posted 2 hours ago. So you can see on here all of these which have been posted literally today within the last couple of hours. Again, look at this Walmart store listing expert, $5 to $30 an hour. So this here, you can see if I click on here now, it will tell you more about the job. We sell over 100 different items for spear fishing and freediving. We're looking for someone to set up our accepted Walmart store and start adding items for sale. And essentially, they will want you to write the copy on the page for these products. And you can see on here, look, currently our Amazon store is running smoothly, but they're going to add more products. Currently, we've been accepted to Walmart, but we need to go live with the products. They're also on eBay. They even show you a link over here to the website. So we can see on here, there is a huge potential with this. You can pick up clients over on this website. You can find people over on Fiverr, guru.com, people per hour. Many, many more places are looking for freelance writers because they know if they can get someone to come on and write their copy for them, well, then essentially what's going to happen here is, we'll go back to this page here, what's going to happen for them? Well, they are going to get more brand awareness. Essentially, they're going to be getting more people buying their products and they're going to be making more money. That's the whole concept of the copywriter, okay? So this is the method basically. And you can go, and by the way, look, right, you can go onto Google and you can go on any of these articles, you know, what is copywriting? What are the benefits of this, techniques, examples? You can go through all of this. You can learn copywriting absolutely for free. And again, look here, 15 traits of excellent copy. This one here, this one. You don't have to pay for this, okay? So you can learn it all for free. And again, look, how to become a copywriter, a step-by-step guide. It will walk you through everything. Now, if you want to speed up the process and not, you know, spend time going through all of these different websites, I have a resource for you, and it's only $1, okay? So this is the resource, and I'll show you this now. It's this one over here, okay? And inside of this, here's what's inside. What's that say? Getting perfect clarity on your offer, 4 steps to create a buyer frenzy, amateur pitfalls to avoid, bringing you into copy, the tried and tested formula, turn your feels into winning copy. There's lots inside of here you can see, but it is, as I'll show you down here, look, this is literally, where's it gone? You can see on here, look, it's $1. So this here is a legendary marketer product, and everyone thinks when it comes to legendary marketer, you've got to pay thousands and thousands of dollars or pounds for, you know, their different products. They've got a lot of products which are cheap. They've got $1 products, $7 products. They do have other products, you know, $1,000, $2,000. They've even got $10,000 products. But this one here, for $1, is incredible value, and it's been written by the guy who created legendary marketer, and he's earned millions online. How's he earned that? Well, essentially it starts with copy, getting people over onto his website and buying his products. I'll very quickly show you what that product looks like. So this is it for $1. It's 43 pages long, and you can go through this. There's an introduction in here, page for notes, but yeah, it's a great little resource for $1 to learn about copywriting. And you can go through this. It also gives you access to some other products inside of Legendary Marketer. But essentially, for $1 to learn all of this here from someone who actively is a copywriter, who actually makes money online, it's a great resource. But again, you don't have to buy it. It's just something, another option for you. So yeah, look, that is today's video. This is the method. It is copywriting. So yeah, what do you think of this method? Are you going to give it a go? Are you even doing copywriting yourself? So yeah, take care and I'll see you soon.